Friends, in this video we are going to solve question number 4, 5, 6 of practice set 6.2 lesson factorization of algebraic expressions of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So let's go. First question is 2l cube plus 432 m cube. We can use the formula of a cube plus b cube. To use the formula of a cube plus b cube, what we have to do? We have to find out cube root of both of the terms. Okay, cube root of 2l cube. Students, you may say that, sir, it's not possible to find out cube of 2. As well as this 432 is also not a cube of any number. So it's not a perfect cube number. Then how to find it out? Students, we are dealing with the factorization. Okay, so we can use that technique. In factorization, what do we do normally? We find out common between two numbers. So if it is possible to find out anything common between these two numbers, let's try to find it out. 432 ending with 2. So both of the numbers are divisible by 2. So let's find 2 as common number. If I'll take 2 common, it will remain L cube plus 432 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 on it, 12, 2 6s are 12 m cube. Okay, so 2l cube plus 432 m cube is equals to 2 multiplied by l cube plus 216 m cube. Now students, are this l cube and 216 m cube perfect cube numbers? Answer is yes. Here coefficient is 1 which is cube of 1. Here coefficient is 216 which is cube of 6. L cube and m cube are cube of L and m. So we can find out cube of these two. Means here we can perfectly use the formula of a cube plus b cube. So let's write the formula. A cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square, right? This is nothing but a cube plus b cube. Then L cube, okay, this L cube is nothing but cube of L. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by cube of L plus cube root of 2, 16 of m is 6m. And by this 2, we are multiplying both of the terms, not only to L. So we have to enclose both of the terms within bracket. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is equal to this. Therefore, L cube plus 6m cube is equals to what? That we can easily write, but students, here we have to multiply this L cube plus m cube. So can we say that 2 multiplied by a cube plus b cube is equals to 2 multiplied by this expression a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? What are we doing here? We are just multiplying both left and right hand side by 2. So similarly we can multiply this also by 2. Just introduce this extra 2 as common on left and right side as per the given question. Now at the place of a, I'll replace L plus at the place of b, I have to write 6m. In the second bracket, a square means nothing but square of L minus a means L multiplied by b means 6m. 6m into L, 6ml plus b square means square of 6m. Square of 6m is 36m square. All of the terms are unlike. This is our final answer. Isn't it easy? What extra tasks do we have to do? We just have to find out 2 common between both of the terms. Once again, 24a cube plus 81b cube, we have to find out cube root of both. But both are not perfect cube numbers. 24 is not cube of any number. 81 is also not cube of any number. So what we have to do? Find out common between them. Okay, let's try to find out common between them. 24 is divisible by 2, 81 is not. 24 is divisible by 3, 81 also divisible by 3. So let's take 3 common out of the bracket. 3 8s are 24, 8a cube. 81 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, both are plus, so symbol will be plus. 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6, 2, 1 on that 2, 21, 3 7s are 21. So 27b cube. Now these two, are they perfect cube numbers? Yes. If they weren't, then again we may find something common, but these are perfect cube numbers. So what we have to do? Find out their cube roots. So cube root of 8a cube is 2a. Hence we can write this as equals to 3 multiplied by cube root of 2a. 8a cube is nothing but 2a. Right? Cube root of 8a cube is 2a. Therefore 8a cube is nothing but cube of 2a. Right? Plus cube root of 27b cube is 3b. So 3b cube is 27b cube. So students, we can use the formula of a cube plus b cube by multiplying it with 3. So let us write the formula by multiplying it with 3. 3 multiplied by a cube plus b cube is equals to, if 3 multiplied by a cube plus b cube is equals to 3 multiplied by a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, then 3 multiplied by, at the place of a, what is the cube? 2a. 2a cube plus, at the place of b, we will write 3b. 3b cube is equals to 3 multiplied by, at the place of a, how to write 2a, plus at the place of b, we will write 3b. A square, and a will be replaced by 2a. So a square is nothing but square of 2a, which is 4a square. 4a square minus a multiplied by b. A is 2a, b is 3b. 2a multiplied by 3b. Multiply coefficients. 2 3s are 6. A into b, ab. So answer is 6ab plus b square. B is nothing but 3b. In the formula, wherever b is there, we have to replace it with 3b. So b square will be replaced by square of 3b. Square of 3b is 9b square. And this is our final answer. Students, once again it is one of the easiest thing to solve. If you manage to find out cube root, or if the given number is a perfect cube number, we can write the answer only within one step. One step is formula and the next step is directly answer. Means such kind of problems we can write in one sentence only. Let us see one example with fractions. The example is y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. Example number 6 is y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube, which is equals to, once again students, we know we can use the formula of a cube plus b cube, first thing. Second thing, to use the formula, what we have to do? We have to find out cube root of first term as well as cube root of second term. First term, is it a perfect cube? Yes, y cube, its cube root is y. Second term, 1 upon 8y cube. To find out cube root of a fraction, what we have to do? We have to find out cube root of numerator and denominator separately. Cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8y cube is also possible. So finding out cube root of both of the numbers is possible. So let's find it. Y cube is nothing but cube of y plus 1 upon 8y cube. Cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of y cube is y. So 2y is cube root of 8y cube, or 8y cube is a cube of 2y. Done. Now we just have to replace in the formula of a cube plus b cube. So let's write the formula first. if a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b multiplied by, in the second bracket, a square minus a multiplied b plus b square, then scan the example at the place of a. Which number we have to use? Y. At the place of b, which number we have to use? 1 upon 2y. So y cube plus 1 upon 2y cube is equals to, in the first bracket, a plus b means y plus 1 upon 2y. In the second bracket, a square means square of y square, minus a multiplied by b. What is a? A is y. Let's use some rough area. Y multiplied by b. What is b? 1 upon 2y. This y is at the part of numerator, this y is at denominator. Let's cut it. So what will remain? 1 upon 2. So here we can write 1 upon 2 plus b square at the place of b. What we have to replace? 1 upon 2y. Square of 1 upon 2y. Once again, to find square also, we have to find out square of numerator separately and denominator separately. So square of numerator 1 is 1. Write it at the place of numerator. Square of denominator 2y. Square of 2y is 4y square. Write it at the place of denominator and done. This is our final answer. Clear, friends? Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.